Hi everyone, Steve here with etrailer.com. Today we're looking at our Pacbrake Alpha HD Pro airbag suspension kit with internal jounce bumpers for the rear axle, rated at 5,000 pounds. Now folks, these are a custom fit application, so make sure you're checking the fit guide here at etrailer.com. Be sure you're getting the right parts the first time. It looks like these fit the 2015 through 2016 Ford F-450s. Now folks, these are precision brackets that are going to be included with this kit to mount and bolt directly to your factory attachment. So no drilling, it's a complete kit. You're gonna get everything you see in the image on your screen. I went ahead and threw 2 inches up. The top right one is a cutaway of these air springs. So you can see it has that internal jounce bumper. That's gonna protect the ride quality with just using that. Let's say you had no PSI in there for whatever reason, or God forbid a bag failed or something, you would still have that inside for using. And then in that bottom left hand image there on the screen, that's a kind of exploded diagram or view, if you will, of all the parts, all the bolts, nuts, airlines. They have an airline cutting tool there in blue in the middle, all your plates, brackets, everything to install this. So I just have these kind of loosely fitting today just to kind of show you what the system more or less looks like. Again, you're going to have a bottom plate underneath all this even, and some long bolts and stuff that were in that other photo. So again, this is just a quick look together today at what the system kind of looks like, and to give you kind of a size comparison of how big and beefy they really are. Now I mentioned that internal jounce stopper. We're not going to be able to see it today obviously because it's inside. What I tell people is, if you have constant heavy loads in the bed of your truck, so maybe a toolbox, maybe you're constantly pulling a trailer, gooseneck fifth wheel, whatnot, even a bumper pull trailer, then that jounce stopper is going to be a great addition for you. But if you're only pulling something heavy every once in a while, you might want to just go with our regular Pacbrake kit without that internal jounce stopper, because that's always going to be in there, so you're not going to have that compression as far as you need it on lighter loads or just normal everyday use. So just a tech tip there from our installers and from customer reviews as far as that goes. And if you're unsure of that, call us, chat, email us. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have regarding which kit is best for you in your particular setup. So all the hardware has a nice hammer tone finish on it. It's very beautiful and elegant. The bags are double convoluted, and everything here is going to be rust resistant, corrosion resistant, and once again, everything is a no drill application. Now this kit today we're looking at is just everything again that you saw in that image earlier on the screen. All the wires, all the hoses or whatnot, bolts, nuts, plates, everything. If you want to use onboard air and those kind of things, that's something that you would have to purchase separately whenever you're ready, or if you maybe already have it and all you need is the bags, great. Now these are going to support between 5 to 100 psi depending on your load. Now these are going to give you 5,000 pounds of load support, and that's going to help reduce in-sag, sway, bounce while you're driving and those kind of things, and give you better handle on the road. More importantly, to me, the biggest thing with airbags or any suspension upgrade is if you're towing and now you're like bottom heavy on the back end of the vehicle, your headlights are pointing up, these will help get you back level, give you better traction again, and get you back down the road safe. Well folks, that's going to wrap it up for a look together. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.